Hello and welcome to Adventures in TV Land. For today's adventure, we're going to do something we haven't really done on this channel before. I'm going to do a kind of unboxing. Recently, not too long ago, I had the opportunity to visit Walt Disney World in Orlando, Florida. And while there, I picked up an item there for myself right here. And we're going to open this item up here on this video. So, my favorite attraction in all of Walt Disney World is the Hollywood Tower of Terror in Hollywood Studios, what at one time used to be MGM Studios. And so that is my favorite attraction, my favorite ride. And recently, Disney now, they at the time of recording this video, there's only 2 days left. So by that you can know this is at the end of March 2023. But there are only 2 days left of the Walt Disney World 50th anniversary celebration. It started in October of 2021, and it has been going on now for about a year and a half, almost. So I saw in the gift shop this little item here, the Hollywood Tower of Terror Mickey Mouse 50th Anniversary Edition. This is a flip around on the back there. You can see got a little bitty tiny Funko Pop Mickey, a miniature Tower of Terror, and they've got the 50th anniversary symbol there. I did not buy this because it may be valuable someday. I bought it because I'm going to keep the box and everything, but I like Tower of Terror. It is my favorite attraction, as I said before. Oh, that's cool. I just noticed that. And if you look here in the back, it's kind of hard to see in the video, but there we go. They've got this piece of cardboard there. It has the Walt Disney World 50th Anniversary logo all on that piece of cardboard there. Pretty darn cool. So let's take this thing out here. Let's see what it looks like here. I'm not for sure, actually. If anybody knows, leave me a comment so I'll know. There's a 31 here written here, where there are like 50 different items like this that were released for the 50th anniversary. I honestly don't know. Let me know. So I got the Funko Pop plastic out here. So first of all, let's take a look here at the Mickey Mouse. Got a little Funko Pop Mickey there. He is in his Tower of Terror attire, his little bellhop uniform. Ooh. I think even, oh no, there's no writing. I thought I saw some writing at the top on the hat, but there's not. But he's gold. He's a golden Mickey. I'm a golden Mickey. So that's Mickey. The thing I was really excited for was this little item here. This little model of the Hollywood Tower of Terror in all its glory. Now the Tower of Terror is actually based on a real hotel. The design, when they did it, it's a real hotel. It's no longer a hotel. I believe it is a set of apartments in California, in LA, in the LA area. So the one time I was out in LA, I didn't get a chance to visit it, but I would love to go just see the outside of it, because that's what this Tower of Terror, what it is based upon. Got the little windows there where the ride goes up. Woo! Ah! This is the expanded edition. It's what the Tower of Terror would really look like if there's a real, actual Hollywood hotel. Woo! Now that's an idea. Instead of the Galactic Star Cruiser, you know what Disney should have did? They should have built a real Tower of Terror hotel. That is money in the bank, Disney. You hear me? Money in the bank. And I know right now you're not doing too well financially. Cutting like 7,000 or more jobs and everything. So instead of building the Galactic Star Cruiser where you're charging people $6,000 a night, $6,000 a visit for the cheapest rooms, you should have built a real Hollywood Tower of Terror. You could have like haunt nights there and all kinds of weird, neat things. It would be a huge, huge cash cow. Missed opportunity there, Disney. Missed opportunity. Anyway, so there we have it. We have our 50th anniversary, the Walt Disney World celebration. We have with our Funko Pop Mickey and our model Hollywood Tower of Terror. Woo! Well, this has been a little bit unusual, a little bit different adventure in TV land. I thank you for watching. If you like this video, maybe if you'd like to see other videos like this, this is something new, something different I was just trying, just for the heck of it, just because I did want to also share with you my love for the Hollywood Tower of Terror in Walt Disney World. But I've not done something like this before. Maybe you'd like to see more. I don't know. If so, let me know in the comments. Maybe you won't like to see more. If so, let me know in the comments section. And you can, as always, you can help support this channel, of course, just by watching and subscribing and sharing, but also you could go to either Patreon or buy me a coffee and make a donation in either one of those two places, or become a member. You could also, if you'd like, you could become a member of Adventures in TV Land here on YouTube as well. Thank you for watching. Until next time, that's a wrap.